Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Question Scout and Automizy. So the use case here is that whenever a form response is made in Question Scout, we want to update a tag in Automizy automatically. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Question Scout is an online form builder tool and a survey tool, whereas Automizy is an email marketing software. The issue here is that Question Scout and Automizy don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help us to transfer data from Question Scout to Automizy. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google and now I will go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly and now I will hover over this product section over here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now we are going to sign into our account. So I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, so now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll down and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so now here we are going to create a new workflow. So I'm going to create a workflow now. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow and I'll name it as Question Scout to Automizy. Okay, so now I'm going to create it. Okay, so in this workflow, we are going to integrate Question Scout with Automizy using Pabbly Connect. So first, I am going to integrate Question Scout with Pabbly Connect and then I will integrate Automizy with Pabbly Connect. So here in Choose App, I am going to choose Question Scout. Okay, so now in trigger event over here, we have only one method and according to our workflow, whenever a new form is submitted in Question Scout, we want to update the tag in Automizy. So new submission is our trigger event over here. Okay, so now when you choose the app and trigger event, you can see we have this webhook URL over here. So now what is webhook URL? Webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So after choosing the app and choosing the trigger event, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is Question Scout over here. So you can read the instructions carefully, log into your Question Scout account, navigate to your form on which you want to set up webhooks, navigate to settings, general and then webhooks. So now I'm going to go to my Question Scout account. So this is my Question Scout account. So this is the form where I want to set up my webhook. So now I'll click on edit form and now I'm going to click on settings. So when you come down here, you can see webhooks. So here we have to add the webhook. So now I'll click on add webhook and here new submission will be our trigger event. And here I have to paste the webhook URL from here. So I'll copy this webhook URL from Pabbly Connect. I'll go back to Question Scout and I'm going to paste it over here. Now I'll add webhook. So we have added the webhook successfully. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to capture the webhook response. So I'll click on it. Okay, so now it is waiting for webhook response. That means it is time to go and create a new submission in Question Scout. So I've already opened my registration form over here. You can see first name, last name, email address. So here I have the 4 check boxes and I want to assign these tags to the customer. For example, if anybody chooses PHP, I want the customer to have the tag of PHP. So if a customer chooses all the 4 options, then I want him to have all these tags under his name in Automizy. Whereas if he only chooses 3 of them, then I want him to have only these 3 tags. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to submit a new form. So first name is Maria, last name is Stevenson email address maria@gmail.com. And now here in skills, I am going to choose all the 4 check boxes and now I'll submit. So you can see your form is successfully submitted. So now I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect and let's see if it has captured the webhook response or not. So I'll go to Pabbly Connect. So you can see we have captured our webhook response over here. So you can see new submission, and if you come down, you can see everything is over here. The name is here, the last name is over here, email address, everything has come. So now I'm going to save it. Okay. So we have got the form submission over here in our first step integration successfully. And now what we have to do is we have to add the contact in Automizy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this plus button. Okay. So here I am going to choose Automizy. And in order to update the tag, first we have to create a contact in Automizy. So I will choose create a contact on a list. Okay. Now I'm going to connect with Automizy. Okay, create new or select existing credentials. Now, if you have an existing credential like this, you can just directly click on it and you don't have to worry about your token. But here I am going to click on new credentials and I will show you how to get your token. Log into your Automizy account. You can find your API token by navigating to settings API token. So I'll open this. So here you can see my API key is over here. If you want, you can also generate a new API key. So I'll generate a new API key. Okay, I'll copy and close. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste it over here. So now this API token is going to help us to build a connection between Automizy and Pabbly Connect. I'll save it. Okay. So now here the first field is list. So now here you might have created a list in your Automizy account. So if I go back to my Automizy, I'll go to my contacts. So here you can see list. So I have these 2 lists over here. If you want, you can also create a new list. So I'll create a new list over here. I'll just rename this list. I'll name it as Question Scout to Automizy. Okay. So I have created this list of Question Scout to Automizy. Okay. So you can see the list is created. So you can give whatever name you want according to you. So now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll refresh it. So now here you can see the list that I recently created is appearing over here. So I'll select Question Scout to Automizy. Okay, so now email address. So I'll search for the email address. It is here. Okay. Now status is going to be active. If you want, you can also change the status. So here there is tag. So before entering this, I am going to go to my Automizy account and I'm going to show you what tags I have created here. If I go to my tag manager, you can see I have these 4 tags over here, which were there in my registration form as well. I'll just refresh this. You can see I have these 4 checkboxes over here and the same are tags over here. So I have created this one more dummy tag over here, Question Scout form. So I am going to use that dummy tag over here so that all the contacts first should be created under that tag. So I'm going to select it, Question Scout form. So here I have given this dummy tag called Question Scout form and not these tags, because if I fill these tags over here, then every contact will go to that specific tag instead of the other one. That is why I have chosen this dummy tag Question Scout form so that first all the contacts go to this tag. So that is why I have selected this one. Now coming to first name, we'll search for the first name. First name is Maria. Now last name is Stevenson. Company is not required. All these things I'll just leave it. Now I'm going to save and send test request. So we have got our API response. That means we have successfully added the contact under our tag Question Scout forms. So now I'll go to my Automizy and I'll go to contacts. So this was the list where we wanted our contact to be saved. So I'm going to click on it. So you can see the form submission that I made was of Maria Stevenson and a contact is created under the Question Scout to Automizy list. And you can see the tag is Question Scout form, the dummy tag that I created. So now I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay. So now I'll just save this. Okay. So now what we have to do is we have successfully created the contact over here. And now what I am going to do is I am going to update this contact in their specific tag. So I'm going to click on this plus button. Okay, here I am again going to choose Automizy. And in action event, I am going to update the contact. Connect with Automizy. Okay, again, if you have any existing credentials, you can directly select on it. And if you don't want it, you can directly go to Settings API token and paste your API key over here. So we had already opened it over here. So I'll just copy this one. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste it over here. Save. So now here in contact ID, we are going to map the ID that we have got from our API too. So I'm going to click on map over here. And now I'll just go down. And here you can see ID. So I'll just map this one. Okay, I'll just delete this. Okay. Now add tags. So here we have to add the specific tags that were there in the registration form and the Automizy. So you can see we had these checkboxes over here and the same tags I have created in Automizy. You can see the same ones are here. So now we have to map all these tags over there. So I'll just start mapping. So the format to map all these tags are that you have to add double quotes over here and you have to separate them by a comma. So I'm going to put the tag 1 over here. The tag first was this one. Okay, comma, space, double quote. Then I'll put the tag 2, this one, comma, space, again double quote. Then the third tag here, comma, space, double quote. And the last one is here. Okay, so we have added these specific tags and now we want whenever a customer chooses any one of these tags, then he should get these tags specifically. So now I am going to go down, status will be active. Okay, custom fields, if you want, you can just enter the custom field data. So now I'll save and send test request. So we have got the API response. That means we have successfully finished our integration and we have added the contacts under specific tags. So I'll just save it. So now what I'm going to do is I'll go to Automizy and I'm going to show you how the contacts will get the specific tags. So I'll just go to contacts. So here in Question Scout to Automizy, I'll click on it. So you can see the maria@gmail.com, the form submission has got all the tags. If I click on it, if I come down here, you can see all the 4 tags are there. So this Question Scout form was the dummy tag that will be there for all the contacts. And these are the specific tags that will come whenever a contact chooses it. So I am going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So I'll go back to registration form and this time I'm going to make a new form submission. So the name is going to be Hamis. Last name is Casper. Email casper@pabbly.com. And this time in these checkboxes, I am going to choose only one. So now submit. Okay, form is successfully submitted. Now let's go to Automizy. I am just going to refresh this page. So now you can see Hamis Casper is over here and he has only got the tag that he selected, Python. And this Question Scout form is the dummy tag that will be there for all the contacts. So now I'll show you again. I'll go to registration form. I'll refresh this and I'm going to make a new entry. Philip Matthew. Email is philip@pabbly.com. Okay, so now in skills, I'm going to choose 3 skills over here. Submit. Form is successfully submitted. Now I'll go to Automizy and I'm going to refresh this page. So here you can see philip@pabbly.com and these 3 were the options in the checkboxes that I selected and that is why they have come here, and Question Scout form was our dummy tag. So we have successfully finished the integration and our integration is working fine. So now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to show you what has happened in our example. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information would have come from Question Scout to Pabbly Connect and then from Pabbly Connect it came to Automizy. So now whenever a new submission is made in Question Scout, the contacts will be updated in Automizy under a specific tag. So we have successfully finished the integration of Question Scout and Automizy using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.